Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Book Talk with Navidu. In this episode, I have a very funny book and it is Captain Underpants and the Perilous Plot of Professor Poopy Pants by Dav Pilkey. So first, let me tell you a bit about the author. Dav Pilkey, as you all know, is the author of the world famous Captain Underpants series and has also written many other books like Super Diaper Baby and Ook and Kluk, the Kung Fu Crewman from the Future. There are two things in common in all of the books. The first one is that they are all hilariously funny, even the chapters and the title of the book. And the second is they all have this animation technique for graphic violence, and that technique is called Fliporama. I will demonstrate how to do that later. So now let's go on to the story. As always, there are two kids in the book, and one is George Peer and the other is Harold Hutchins. George is the kid with the tie and the flat top, and Harold is the one with the t-shirt and the bad haircut. They go to Jerome Horowitz Elementary School, and it is run by the meanest principal in the history of principals. His name is Mr. Crab, and he hates all students, he hates fun, and he especially hates George and Harold. It can be because of their funny comic called Captain Underpants. So in it they make all these hilarious titles and kind of crazy villains, and they make the Captain Underpants fight those villains, and in the end it all adds up to the funniest comic of all time. So in their school everyone loves the comics except for the teachers and Mr. Crab. So anyway, let me go on with the story. It starts when all the kids of grade 4 in their school have to go on a field trip with their school, and the best part is that they are going to have a pizza party. So George and Harold were caught changing the letters of signs by the principal, and the principal did the worst thing he can do to those kids. He banned them from the field trip. So to have kind of a revenge on the teachers and the principal, George and Harold went to the teacher's lounge at the school, and they taped the hand shower of the sink to on, and then they put plaster on the edges of the fan, and they put styrofoam pellets in the fridge. So when the teachers came back, they all laughed at George and Harold for not able to come in the field trip, and then they went into the teacher's lounge, and that's where the fun thing happened. When they went there, the gym teacher, Miss Namina, turned on the light and the fan started spinning, and then one of the teachers went and turned on the tap, and then instantly all the teachers got sprayed by water. By then all the plaster is now getting down to the floor, and they got stuck on the wet teachers. And then one of the teachers called Miss Ribble went and opened the fridge, and instantly there was a blowout of styrofoam pellets, and they kind of looked like huge yetis running to the school. So after seeing that, their science teacher quit his job, and then now Mr. Crab is looking for a replacement teacher. Then the book goes on about that there is this country called New Switzerland, and there are all these famous scientists who make wild inventions, but there is one thing that they all have in common. They have silly names. So even in the title you can see that there is this person called Professor Poopy Pants, and he is from New Switzerland too. So he found two wild inventions, one which can make things bigger and the other can make them small. So even when he tries to take out his inventions to show them to the world, the other people were so busy laughing at his silly name. So then finally one day Professor Booby Pants saw a newspaper ad for a replacement teacher for science, and the professor thought that that was the best job he can get because he thought that kids were innocent and adorable and they won't laugh at his silly name. Well, I think you can guess what happened. He went in and said, "Hello children, I am a new science teacher. My name is Professor P.P. Poopy Pants." And all the children started to laugh at his name. So I think I will leave you to find out what happens after that. So now let me tell you why I chose this book. So the first thing is, yes, it's very funny, and also there are these strange illustrations. So here are the Yeti-like scenes, as you can see here, but actually they are not really. They are teachers covered with water, plaster and styrofoam pellets. And here they have a comic in the book, and it's called Captain Underpants and the Pied Pooper of Pequod, which is like the Pied Pipe of Hamelin, but they were so different. And here's Professor Poopy Pants in the cartoon, and here's the real one. So when he got a hand on his comics, he went ballistic. So and in the comic, it's not just a cover, there's a whole story inside the story. So see, and it's very funny. And then this is him gone ballistic. And also there are the illustrations. Some of them have these strange sound effects like boom and whir and those, you know. Now I will show you how to do the Flipperama animation. So here's start of the Flipperama animation technique. So it says introducing Flipperama. Here's how it works. So there's this visual about how this came into life, and then here are the steps. So let me demonstrate. I hope you like that. So I recommend this book to you because you can learn some qualities, even though it's funny, from the book. And also in the end, the villain actually becomes a bit good, even though he goes to prison, and he even changes his own name into an even funnier one, but that's another matter. So anyway, this book is the best example you can get for a hilarious book. So if you want to know about more books like these, please follow me on my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.